Mm-hmm.
Hi, my name's Haler,
And I'm Ryder.
and this is
Big. This is H&R.
yeah. At St. Mary's, we have a lot of things. We have the cafeteria upstairs that serve sandwiches, coffee,
EFOC.
milk. They have a daily meal.
EFOC.
Today, we're going to be choosing our favorite drinks and our favorite snacks from the vending machines.
Get me in here.
Yeah, yeah. All right, and now I'm just gonna.
Cut it.
I love this.
Give me more. I got first. You got second.
Wow.
I'm gonna get 5-3, guys. Does everybody see this? 5-3. We'll do it. We'll go somewhere and do a taste test. Ooh, W assistance from my lovely girlfriend. Oh, he's feeling a.
I think everything. I'm just I got a strawberry Fanta. Awesome.
And I got a Fuse iced tea.
And yeah, we're gonna do our chips
Snacks
next.
now.
All right. Right.
W in the chat room, anyways. We've got our chips.
All right. I got a strawberry Fanta and a Ruffles oven cooked, not fried.
And
Yeah.
y'all are dead wrong if you don't think I'm trying.
All right.
All right.
What do you get?
Got me a Fuse iced tea, drinking at the school. FML. And a kettle cooked jalapeno cheddar Von Dutchertons. This one is Haler's.
Yep.
Haler's currently gonna eat one of mine. We're
And
gonna rate them
yep.
out of a scale of 1 through 10.
Mm-hmm.
And then we're gonna try our own. All right, let's get it.
Yeah.
Let's go. That's pretty good.
Yeah, that is pretty good.
Yeah.
What would you give that?
I'd give that 6-7 out of 10.
All right, I'd give that an 8. Yeah.
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 Okay, this is the jalapeno cheddar.
Mm-hmm.
All right,
This is the oven baked Ruffles. Yeah.
all right, cheers. 3, 2, 1. That's pretty good, yeah.
I like that one. Yeah.
I'm gonna give this an 8.3.
I think I'm gonna give mine another 8. Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Get a crack.
Yeah.
Here. Let me put my mic by it too. Mm-hmm. Doing it in my throat. Little cheers.
Yep.
Alrighty, let's get it. Let's go.
What did you get that?
I'd say that's a pretty tea iced tea.
Mm-hmm.
You know, like I'm really getting the greens in the tea, and I feel really earthy. So I'm gonna give that a 9 because I just feel refreshed and revived.
That's nice. Yeah.
Not sponsored by Fuse, by the way.
Not sponsored by Fanta. Yeah. I really liked it. I'd give it an 8. All right. Outro.
All right. Okay. I'm gonna walk down the stairs now and leave.
All right. I'm Haler.
Oh. And I'm Ryder.
And
This
this
has been H&R.
Yep.
All right.